He said, me have to catch a little piece of it. I said, the man them do up on the hill, so I reggae the man them play on the River Nile, Uganda. The man them love reggae music, it's unbelievable. Oh, the man them love reggae music. And they love the culture, they love everything about Jamaica. Eh? Yeah, you mean the one right there? Yeah, if you want to, we can do that.
The main thing is the river now.
Oh, the river, okay then.
So as long as it's not going to mess up the river now plan.
Won't mess up with that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't mind.
It's a big blessing to say hi to every brother.
Yeah,
that's what I say. It's hard to say.
man.
The right greeting is.
No, Ugandan. I'm speaking to you now and the rest of Uganda, my Ugandan brethren there. There's a brethren on the internet all the time always. He had so many love for his country. They call him Big Stone. He went home to Jamaica because he wanted to contribute to his country. Because he went to the United States and he went back home. But this guy, this brethren, he had so many passionate love for his people. You understand me? And things like this. I know Big Stone, if Big Stone was here right now, he would be taking out his camera, he was trying to talk to everybody who can talk to. You understand me? To all the love and the nature of this person. And me I talk about the River Nile now. The River Nile is such a blessed thing for come witness. So we see some brethren up on the hill and we want to speak to them. So we are go over to go bless them up and heal them up still. But guess what now, I will cut again with my camera right now because I far I travel in Uganda for reach down here so. And the battery thing kind of stay away, so I have to save it every minute. I have to cut and start again, so I catch a little piece again, you know.
Yes, brother.
You know, yeah. Alright, I'm now cut it off now, because we actually reach right close to them. You know, these virgins live on the River Nile. But yeah. Yeah, because this I go straight out of Jamaica, you know, because I don't love the culture so much, it's unbelievable. I love the culture and the music and everything. Because when I open my mouth and talk, it's a while ago I reach at the River Nile and open my mouth. The man them run, one of the man run come over. See there? Me want a Ugandan t-shirt. See there? Me want a Ugandan t-shirt. Yeah man, I'm take it off. I take off my shirt to me and give the brother. And buy the Ugandan t-shirt. Sorry. Well, Sizzler say, repatriation is a must.
True thing you talk
Capitan
about,
says so, Anthony B says so, Bob Marley says so, Bunny Wheeler says so,
Anthony B.
Peter Touch says so,
Well, if an artist gets it every time, you know.
The Burning Space says so, Culture says so,
Muta
and
Baruka.
many more. Muta Baruka says so. Repatriation is a must.
Talk about it always, you know.
Yeah man.
So it's a good thing right now when you repatriate and come down River Nile and see everything, you see.
Yeah man.
They always sing about Walipa thing, but right now you have to come and prove to them and tell them say that you're there right now on the river.
Well, me dip on the River Nile.
Yeah man.
Me dip on the River Nile and see me I talk to some bridge now who actually live on the River Nile. The man live on the River Nile. You understand me? And as me I say, my brethren, me saw one brethren I walk in a Kampala. Look just like one of my brethren in Jamaica. Now me have spoon and say, blow time. If I never done them, I say, yo, Noel. Yes, the man look same way, same body. Everything look just like one Jamaican brother this me I talk about him. I say one brother Uganda look identically like him. One brethren, one of my brethren from Jamaica. Him live in England still, but me see a youth look like him.
Yeah man, you see we are the same, we are African people.
Yeah.
Just a photocopy out there. Are we the same people, you know?
Yeah man, brethren. So it's really a drive soon all and you know, it's my pleasure this to come here, so. I'm here to come back, brethren.
Welcome.
Yeah, cause I love it. I'm see where the Jamaican culture presents so much. You understand me?
They tell me in Jamaica
Every youth love
always sing about the land of corn and corn and milk.
Milk and honey.
I true think this, you know. So right now we come to the land of milk and honey, the land of everything, you know.
Yeah,
the land of Idi Amin Dada, the field marshal general.
Naturally.
Yeah, man, we always hate
and Sizzler them always highlight him. The Prince Emmanuel, the leader of the Bobo Shanty, always highlight Idi Amin, same same as a reincarnation of Marcus Garvey.
You been to the Bobo
Yeah,
camp
you understand me? Yeah, man.
You know
Yeah, eh?
Priest Harold.
Yeah, man.
I've been with him in Ghana there, you know.
Yeah.
Priest Harold.
Yeah.
Ghana.
I know quite a lot about him. I used to travel upon the hill and keep Sabbath to
man.
them too and thing, you know?
Tell me, say he was with the priest Emmanuel in Jamaica before he died.
Yeah.
So right now he's repatriated and him there in Ghana, you know.
Yeah, man. Because Emmanuel tell some of them for go Ghana, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You know, because a man can live anywhere in Africa once you reach your motherland and you know where you go there for, you know what I mean? A man go home to him people. You go home to your people. So, you know what I mean? You're supposed to live happily.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
Oh, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
This is what you wanted.
Why?
Yeah.
No, I'm looking for the hemp. Yeah, the hemp seed.
And see it there?
I have some sativa and indica seeds. If you want, you can talk about
and
it, you
Is
know.
you know the hemp seeds?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Cut that.
The
That's
hemp,
not
the hemp,
for
you
this.
need the hemp.
Yeah, wait, man.
Yeah,
Wait, man. We can't mash up the thing, man. You can't talk to him after.
The hemp seeds, yeah.
The
Yeah.
hemp, it will be hard for the hemp seeds because right
Yeah,
now
yeah.
we only have sativas and indicas right now.
Okay.
Because hemp is a different thing, you know.
Yeah.
But we can make some arrangement for you can get them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can just link up anytime. You can leave your contact.
Leave the contact with the
Yeah,
man,
man.
and then.
Yeah, you can write it down, you know. Write down his contact, you know. And pass it over.
Yeah, man. So the good thing you have now, you and squeeze out the virgin.
And need something?
The good thing.
We have some high grade. Need something?
No, me not really smoke still.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Me not really smoke. Money drink it. Then me get it, a cup of it, me drink it still, you know.
You should drink and you should smoke, but you should not drink, you know. Like
Hey, still not. It's next time I come, bring some music to an artist named Tishan.
Tishan.
Yeah, man. I'm very positive.
Where he come from?
Him come from
Trinidad or
no, Jamaica.
Ah.
And from St. Thomas.
St.
But
Thomas.
when you hear him music, them don't like him.
Ah.
You know, so an artist come named Talrich. You know about Talrich?
Me heard about him.
Yeah, very positive youth. He do great works. And you understand, I'm in the Uganda. When next time come to the Uganda, I'm going to make him know say, I have a company River Nile, come meet you know.
Tell him say, yeah, the man, you hail him up. I say,
Yeah,
big up,
yeah,
and
man.
Every
Yeah,
time
man.
we are there in Africa,
Yeah,
waiting for you to come back and
Yeah, man.
repatriate.
Yeah, man.
Because it's not a good thing when you're there at Babylon and you have to come back
true,
to
man,
Africa.
true,
This
man.
is your home, this is your
True,
land,
man,
you know.
true, man. The land,
You should have
the place
repatriate.
is nice.
But
That me
the
know,
thing-
go back home, Virgin.
Most
tell you.
people out there are brainwashed. They say in
Yeah,
Africa
man.
we eat people, we do that, we murder
Pure lie,
people.
man.
So
A
they-
pure lie,
pure
man.
lie, them a preach.
Yo, Virgin, I can't believe I saw Kampala stay now, the city of Kampala.
Yeah, man.
I can't even walk it out the way big Kampala is. You know what I'm saying? Big
How long
Kampala
have you
is.
been here? How long have you been in Uganda?
A couple of days now.
Like 10 or
No,
1 week?
about 4 days or something like that.
Alright,
Yeah.
man, you go move around.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So bless and give thanks to talk to the man. You have much love and respect, yeah? Alright, man. Anything now, because we have to save the battery, you know? To do look a bit more. Alright, then bless it, yeah? Yeah, man.